Clogged gutters with moss or algae growth can totally wreck your home's drainage and cause major headaches if you don't handle it right. So, first off, grab some gloves and a sturdy ladder. Safety always comes first, you know? Start by scooping out any loose debris like leaves or twigs to get a clear path to the moss or algae. Use a brush or a gutter cleaning tool to scrub away the moss gently. You don't want to damage the gutters. For the algae and tougher moss, grab a cleaner made specifically for gutters. Something that's safe for your roof and plants around your house. Spray it on and let it sit for a bit, usually 15 to 30 minutes, so it breaks down the gunk. Rinse it off with a garden hose, making sure all the cleaner and debris flush out properly. Repeat if needed, but don't overdo it to avoid harming your gutters or landscaping. Finally, check your gutters regularly during wet seasons to catch any new moss or algae growth early on before it turns into a big problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with moss or algae in gutters is using harsh chemicals that can ruin their roofing or hurt plants nearby. Always pick cleaners labeled safe for outdoors. Another common issue is skipping regular gutter cleaning, which only lets moss build up and block water flow, so plan to clean gutters at least twice a year. Also, many forget to check if their gutters have proper slope and drainage. If water pools anywhere, moss and algae will thrive, so adjust or repair gutters if water isn't flowing smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to tackle problems like clogged gutters safely and efficiently. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people needing their skills, making home projects easier for everyone.